Hello guys, today we will review the Binance Exchange, the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world which leads in trading volumes worldwide. We will explain how to register, pass verification, deposit funds and start trading, from spot trading to futures trading with leverage up to 125. Want to trade profitably? Follow our partner link in the description, register on Binance, invest at least $50 and receive a $100 voucher to cover fees. Follow the review to master all the steps. Binance is the leading cryptocurrency exchange, ranking first in trading volumes and number of users. The platform offers everything for earning: spot and futures trading with leverage up to 125, margin trading, trading bots, launchpads and launch pools for investing in new tokens, as well as an NFT marketplace. KYC verification is mandatory for full access to features, including P2P and fund withdrawals. The interface is available in light versions for beginners and pro for professionals, with support for different languages and switching between dark and light themes. The trading terminal includes TradingView charts and an order book with buy and sell orders. Binance supports stablecoins USDT, BUSD, and USDC. The native token BNB provides a 25% discount on fees and is used to pay interest on leverage. Deposits and withdrawals are possible through P2P with zero fees or external wallets such as MetaMask on Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, or TRC20 network. Binance is mainstream, and you will find our top cryptocurrency exchanges in the video description. To start earning on Binance, the first step is to register. The process takes just a couple of minutes. Follow the link in the description or download the app from the Play Store or App Store and click register. In the form, choose email or phone number, enter your details and create a strong password. Tick the box to agree to the terms and another if you want to receive news and promotions from Binance. Click create account and enter the verification code sent to your email or phone. If you already have an account, click login or use the QR code in the app for quick access without entering your login and password. After logging in, click the Binance icon in the top left corner and choose the Pro version for full functionality with futures and advanced tools. After registration, you need to complete KYC verification to unlock full functionalities. Go to your account, click on the profile and select verification. Choose identity verification and upload a document: passport, driver's license, or ID card. Follow the system prompts. Take a photo of the document and a selfie. Submit the data for review. The process takes a few minutes and confirmation usually arrives within a day. After KYC, you can fund your account through P2P, trade futures, and withdraw funds to a card or external wallet. Now, to start trading on Binance, you first need to fund your account. First method, cryptocurrency deposit. On the main page, open the wallet, deposit section. Select the coin like USDT and the network, TRC20, Binance Smart Chain, or Ethereum. Binance will show your wallet address. Click copy. Go to your cold wallet, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or another exchange where you already have USDT. Click withdraw, paste the copied Binance address, choose the same network, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. After blockchain confirmation, usually 2 to 5 minutes, check your balance. Second method, P2P deposit. On the main screen, choose the P2P section. Specify the currency you will pay with and the payment method, for example, your bank. Binance will show a list of sellers. Pay attention to rating above 95%. At least 500 trades. Click buy USDT, receive the seller's details, transfer money through your banking app, and confirm the payment. The cryptocurrency is held in the seller's escrow account on Binance, making the transaction secure. Once the merchant confirms the payment, USDT will be credited to your wallet. Then transfer them to your spot or futures account via the transfer tab. Third method, purchase via online exchanger. Follow the link to BestChange. It's an aggregator of verified exchangers. On the left, choose what you pay with, for example, your bank card. On the right, what you want to receive, USDT TRC20. Select an exchanger with a good rate, high rating, and sufficient reserve. On the exchanger site, enter the amount and paste your Binance wallet address. Wallet, deposit, USDT, TRC20, copy. Enter your contact details, email or phone, and payment information. Pay according to the exchanger's instructions. Within 5 to 30 minutes, USDT will be credited to your Binance account. Done. Your account is funded. Let's move on. Let's talk about withdrawals. Withdrawing funds is very similar to the deposit process, but there are a few differences you need to be aware of. Withdrawal to a crypto wallet. Just like depositing, go to wallet, withdraw. Select the coin and network, for example, USDT TRC20. The main difference? Now you paste the address of an external wallet, like from Trust Wallet or another exchange. Enter the amount, confirm with a code sent to your email or app, and wait for the transaction to pass through the blockchain. Withdrawal to a card via P2P. The logic is the same as buying. Select the P2P section, but now the sell tab. Enter the amount, currency, and your bank. The difference is that the money now comes to you, from the buyer to your card. Confirm the deal only after you verify the funds have arrived on your card. Complete the transaction with a confirmation code from Binance. Overall, the process is familiar. You already know how to buy via P2P or deposit crypto, and for withdrawals, only the direction changes. The money goes from Binance to you. The key is to carefully check addresses and confirm deals only after receiving funds. Now head over to our Telegram channel and get 5 free video lessons on what cryptocurrency is, how to use it correctly, and how to preserve and grow your funds. Link in the description. Now that your Binance account is funded, you can start trading. The exchange offers 2 main types of trading: spot and futures. Spot trading involves directly buying the coin itself. Make sure your funds are in the spot account. If they are in another account, transfer them via wallet, then transfer, selecting the spot account. Then go to trade and select spot and choose a pair such as BTC USDT. On the right is the form for buying or selling, and below is the order book where you can see other traders' orders. Choose the type of order: market, buy or sell at the current price, executed immediately, or limit, set your price, wait for execution. After purchasing, check your balance in wallet, then spot. To sell, go back to spot, choose the pair, click sell, select market, enter the amount and confirm. Futures trading involves trading contracts without owning the actual coins. You earn from the rise, long, or fall, short in prices. First, you need to transfer funds via wallet and click on transfer to the futures account, USDTM, for example 10 USDT. Go to trade, then futures and choose a pair such as ETH USDT. First, select the type of margin. There are two options. Isolated margin. With a loss, you only risk the amount invested in a specific trade. Cross margin. The entire available balance is involved, so the risk is significantly higher. For beginners, it's better to use isolated margin. It's safer. Next, set the leverage. For example, 10x means you open a position 10 times larger than your deposit. Leverage increases both potential profit and risk. Then choose the trade direction. Long if you expect the price to rise, short if you expect it to fall. Next, specify the order type. Market order. Opens immediately at the current price. Limit order allows you to set your entry price. It is recommended to immediately set take profit levels, to automatically close the trade with a profit and stop loss, to limit possible losses. Always pay attention to the liquidation price. This is the level at which the exchange will forcibly close the trade to prevent further losses. The higher the leverage, the closer the liquidation price. It is important to understand the scale of the trade. For example, with a deposit of 10 USDT and leverage of 10x, you are effectively managing 100 USDT. If the market moves sharply against you, the position can be liquidated and the invested funds will be lost. Now let's explore what Binance has to offer. Staking is the freezing of coins to earn income, similar to earning interest in a bank. Open the Binance homepage and you'll see the top menu with sections. In the list, choose Earn and click on it. After selecting staking, you'll be taken to a page with a table of coins, where on the left is a list of assets. On the right is the yield and types, flexible or fixed, and at the bottom are your active stakings. On the Earn page, scroll through the coin table, find USDT, and click on the name. A panel will open. On the left is a description of the coin, on the right are fields for settings. In the staking type section, choose Fixed. Frozen for a month, cannot withdraw the yield at any time, only after a month. Or choose Flexible. Withdrawal available anytime, but the yield is much lower. On the right, the expected annual yield is displayed. For example, 5% for flexible, click Stake. Income will start accruing, and you can view it in the My Staking section at the bottom of the page. Launchpool allows you to earn new tokens that are not yet traded on the spot market. On the Launchpool page, you'll see a list of projects. On the left are the names, on the right are the yields and terms, and at the bottom are your active stakings. To begin, go to the Launchpool tab at the top of the page. Scroll through the list, find an active project, and click on the name. A panel will open. On the left is a description of the project, on the right is the amount field, and at the bottom is the reward statistics. In the amount field, enter the amount. On the right, the expected reward in tokens is displayed. Click Stake. After listing, the tokens will arrive in your spot account, and you can view them in the wallet section and then go to the spot wallet. Copy trading allows you to replicate the trades of experienced traders on the spot or futures market. You choose a trader where their posts and statistics are published. After selecting, you set an amount, like 100 USDT, and the system replicates all the trader's actions. Buying, selling, choosing pairs, for example, BTC USDT. The interface shows, on the left, trader profiles, on top, filters by profitability or market, on the right, statistics, success rate, profit for 7, 30, and 90 days, at the bottom. Your copied portfolios with current profit and buttons adjust or close. Follow these steps. Open the Binance homepage, find Trade in the top menu, click on the three lines and select Copy Trading. To the right of each trader, statistics are displayed. Profitability, for example, plus 50% over 30 days. Number of trades, market type, spot or futures. Find a trader with over 50% profitability and at least 100 trades. Click on their name. A panel opens. On the left, a description of the trader. On the right, a profitability graph. Click Copy and a settings form appears. In the Amount field, enter, for example, 100 USDT. The minimum amount is shown on the right, for example, 10 USDT. Choose the market type, spot, regular trading, or futures. With leverage, for example, 5x doubles your profit. The estimated profit based on the trader's history is displayed on the right. Click Start Copying. Trades will start copying, and watch the progress in the My Portfolios section at the bottom of the page. In My Portfolios, each trader shows the pair, current profit, floating P&L. On the right are buttons: Adjust, Change Amount, Close, Share. Click More next to a portfolio to see the trade composition. Grid Bot on Binance. The Grid Bot is a program that automatically trades crypto within a specified price range, buying low and selling high. You set a pair like BTC USDT a price range and the number of trades, and the bot does the rest. On the bots page, you'll see on the left a menu, on the right statistics, and at the bottom your active bots. Let's break down how it works. The Grid Bot trades on the spot market, placing limit orders within a price range. For example, between $80,000 and $90,000 for BTC USDT. You set the number of grids, for example 40, and the bot divides the range into 40 parts, creating orders for each. The interface shows, on the left, a price chart with the range, on top, pair filters, BTC USDT, ETH USDT. On the right, settings fields, range, grids, amount. At the bottom, your bots with profit, floating P&L, and buttons adjust or close. Open the Binance homepage, find Trade in the top menu, click on the three dots. In the drop-down menu, select Spot. On the Spot Trading page, find Trading Bots. Scroll through the list of bots, find Grid Bot, click on the name. A panel opens. On the left, a chart of the selected pair. On top, filters, for example, popular pairs. On the right, settings fields. In the drop-down menu, pair, select, for example, BTC USDT by clicking on the name. In the lower price field, enter, for example, $100,000, minimum price of the range. In the upper price field, enter, for example, $120,000, maximum price of the range. In the number of grids field, enter 40. The bot will create 40 orders. In the amount field, enter, for example, 500 USDT. Click Create. In the confirmation window, check the parameters, pair range amount, click confirm. The bot will start trading. Watch the progress in the strategies section at the bottom of the page. The DCA Bot is a tool for those who want to buy cryptocurrency without the stress and guessing of entry points. It automatically divides your amount into parts and buys the asset gradually, either by time or when the price drops. This method is called dollar cost averaging. What's the benefit? You don't try to catch the perfect moment, as the market is unpredictable. When the price drops, the bot buys cheaper, lowering the average purchase cost. If the price rises, you already have some coins bought and you profit. Everything works automatically. Set the strategy once and the bot executes it without emotions. That's why the DCA Bot is popular among beginners and investors who want to reduce risks and enter the market systematically. On the homepage, click Trade, then Spot. Select Trading Bots in the menu. Find DCA Bot, click it. Select a pair like BTC USDT. A panel opens. On the left, a chart. On the right, settings. In the amount to buy field, enter, for example, 100 USDT. In the price interval field, enter, for example, $500. In the schedule menu, select daily. The minimum amount is displayed on the right, click Create. Binance Pay is a service for fast and free cryptocurrency payments within the Binance ecosystem. It allows you to transfer coins to other Binance users and pay for goods and services at stores that support this payment method. Main advantages: transfers are instant and fee-free. You can send cryptocurrency by address, user ID, or simply scanning a QR code. Funds go directly to the recipient's wallet in Binance, where Binance Pay is used for transfers between users such as friends, partners, or clients. For paying for goods and services, Binance collaborates with online stores, services, and marketplaces where cryptocurrency can be used as a full-fledged payment method. How to use: in the app or on the website, open Wallet, Binance Pay, choose a tab, send, transfer to another Binance user, pay, payment in a store. Specify the coin and amount. Enter the recipient's ID or scan a QR code. Confirm the transfer. The transaction is instant, and the status can be checked in the history. Web3 Wallet by Binance is a built-in crypto wallet for storing coins and connecting to decentralized applications, DApps. With it, you can work with digital collection marketplaces, participate in blockchain games, connect to DeFi protocols, and earn on new Web3 activities. The main feature of the wallet is that you fully control your keys and funds. When created, an address and a 12-word seed phrase are generated. This is your main password. Do not share it with anyone. Losing the seed phrase means losing access to the wallet. How to create a Web3 wallet? In the Binance app, open the Wallets section and find Web3 Wallet. Click Create Wallet. The system will show a 12-word seed phrase. It's best to write it down on paper and keep it in a safe place. Confirm the seed phrase by selecting the words in the correct order. After confirmation, the wallet is ready for use. What you can do with Web3 Wallet: store cryptocurrency and tokens directly in a decentralized environment. Connect to DApps and use them without intermediaries. Participate in staking and farming. Transfer coins to other users. Use DeFi services directly from the wallet. Thus, Web3 Wallet is not just a storage, but a full-fledged tool for working with the new Web3 internet. For detailed instructions on using the wallet, connecting to DApps, and earning with it, we have a separate video. Find the link in the description. Binance Academy helps you understand crypto through articles and videos. Open the Binance app, find the icon with the 3 dots, and click it. Scroll through the list and find Binance Academy. A panel opens. On the left, categories. For example, blockchain, NFT. Click the blockchain category on the left to see articles and videos on the topic. Binance support is available 24/7 via chat, online messaging, or tickets, requests like an email. Chat responds in minutes. Tickets via email if the issue is complex. The interface shows, on the left, buttons Chat and Create Ticket. On top, a field to enter your question. On the right, your request history with date and status, for example, resolved. To contact support, go to the homepage and scroll down to the support section. You will see a panel. On the left, buttons Chat and Create Ticket. On top, a field with the text Enter your question. Click More next to a ticket to see the correspondence or operator's response. Scroll down the support page to find the Frequently Asked Questions section with ready-made answers. We've covered Binance, a top exchange that has everything for comfortable trading and earning. Write in the comments which exchange you use. If the material was helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Wishing you big profits.